How to start a newsletter and make money from day one. Most people think you need 10,000 subscribers before you can monetize a newsletter. That is not true in 2026. With the right platforms and strategies, you can start making money from your newsletter on day one, even with 0 subscribers. In this guide, I will show you exactly how to start, grow, and monetize a newsletter as a side hustle. Why newsletters are the best side hustle in 2026. According to a 2026 report by Litmus, email marketing generates $42 for every $1 spent, which is a 4,200% return on investment. Here is why newsletters work. You own your audience. Unlike social media, no algorithm controls your reach. High conversion rates. Email converts 3 times better than social media. Low startup cost. Free platforms are available. Monetize immediately. Use affiliate links, sponsored spots, and paid subscriptions. Step 1. Choose your newsletter platform. Here are the best free platforms to start. Beehiiv is best overall. The free tier gives you 2,500 subscribers. It has built-in growth tools like referral program and recommendations, easy monetization with ads, paid tiers, and sponsorships, and a modern clean interface. ConvertKit is best for creators. The free tier gives you 1,000 subscribers. It has powerful automation, landing pages, and forms included, and is great for selling digital products. Substack is easiest to start. It is free but takes 10% of paid revenue. It has built-in audience discovery, is dead simple to use, and is best for writers focused on content not tech. My recommendation is to start with Beehiiv. The free tier is generous and the growth tools are unmatched. Step 2. Choose your niche. Do not start a personal newsletter. Specialize. Here are profitable niches for 2026. AI Tools Weekly. New AI tools, tutorials, and case studies. Side hustle strategies. Actionable tips for making extra income. Freelance tips. How to find clients, raise rates, and manage projects. Content creation. Blogging, YouTube, and social media strategies. Digital products. How to create and sell templates, prompts, and ebooks. Step 3. Create your first issue in 30 minutes. Here is a simple template for your first issue. Subject line. Your name's newsletter, issue number 1. Opening 2 to 3 sentences. Welcome your readers. Tell them what to expect, for example weekly or bi-weekly. Share what is in this issue. Main section with 3 to 5 bullet points or short paragraphs. Share one tip, one tool, and one resource. Or share a short personal story with a lesson. Or curate 3 to 5 links with your commentary. Closing 2 to 3 sentences. Ask a question to encourage replies. Tell them where to find you on Twitter, LinkedIn, or your blog. Ask them to forward to a friend. Step 4. Get your first 100 subscribers with free methods. Method 1. Add a sign-up form to your blog in 10 minutes. Add a form to your blog sidebar, footer, and at the end of every post. Offer a free lead magnet like a PDF checklist in exchange for an email. Method 2. Create a free landing page in 15 minutes. Use Beehiiv built-in landing page. Share the link on your social media, in your email signature, and on relevant forums. Method 3. Post on social media ongoing. Share snippets from your newsletter on Twitter or LinkedIn. End with subscribe to my newsletter for more and then your link. Method 4. Ask friends and family in 1 hour. Send a personal message to 20 people you know. Say I started a newsletter about a topic. Would you be interested? Here is the link. Method 5. Comment on relevant posts ongoing. Find popular tweets or LinkedIn posts in your niche. Add valuable comments. People will click your profile and see your newsletter link. Step 5, monetize your newsletter from day 1. You do not need thousands of subscribers to make money. Here is how. Affiliate marketing works at any size. Promote tools you already use. Include your affiliate link in the resources section. For example, say I use Canva for all my graphics. You can try it free here with your link. Digital products work at any size. Sell a $9 PDF guide, prompt pack, or template to your subscribers. Even 10 sales equals $90. Sponsorships work at 500 subscribers. Once you have 500 engaged subscribers, small AI tools will pay $50 to $100 for a mention. Use Passionfruit or Substack to find sponsors. Paid subscriptions work at 1,000 subscribers. Offer a free tier and a paid tier at $5 to $10 per month with extra content, templates, or office hours. Realistic earnings timeline. Month 1. 0 to 100 subscribers. $0 to $50 from affiliate. Months 2 to 3. 100 to 500 subscribers. $50 to $200 from affiliate and digital products. Months 4 to 6. 500 to 2,000 subscribers. $200 to $1,000 from affiliate and sponsorships. Month 6 to 12. 2,000 to 10,000 subscribers. $1,000 to $5,000 or more from affiliate, sponsorships, and paid tiers. How to write newsletters people actually open. Subject line tips. Keep it under 50 characters. Create curiosity with phrases like I was wrong about something. Be specific with 3 AI tools under $10. Use the reader's name or interests. Content tips. Write like you talk to a friend. Use short paragraphs of 2 to 3 sentences maximum. Add a personal story in every issue. End with a question to encourage replies. Common mistakes to avoid. Inconsistent sending. Weekly on the same day beats a random schedule. No value in every issue. Each email should have one actionable takeaway. Too much selling. Aim for 80% value and 20% promotion. Not asking for replies. Engagement tells email providers that you are wanted, not spam. FAQ. How often should I send? Once per week is the sweet spot for beginners. Consistency is more important than frequency. Can I start a newsletter without a blog? Yes. Many newsletters have no blog. Beehiiv and Substack are standalone. What is a good open rate? 40 to 60% is excellent. 20 to 40% is average. Under 20% means your subject lines need work. Conclusion. A newsletter is one of the few side hustles where you can start making money on day 1. The barrier to entry is 0. The upside is massive. Your action plan. Sign up for Beehiiv for free. Write your first issue today using the template above. Share the link with 10 friends. You will have subscribers before the week ends. For more, visit our website. Please subscribe, like, and share.